Okay, so today I want to unbox this DeWalt Weedeater I just bought. I've kind of gotten tired of mixing up gas and dealing with cheap little weed eaters, and this one's maybe a little cheap too. We'll see how it works out, but you can see it here. It is the 13-inch 20-volt DeWalt. Anyway, we're going to open it up and see if it's worth anything, and we're going to see how it does. Okay. Now, you know, I'm guessing I'm kind of like some of you other guys out here, and you start putting things together before you read the directions. And I probably should read some of the directions here. So let me do a quick look over. Okay, there you have it. I read the directions. So, first thing I notice is this is really loose right here. See if they sent any tools along. Sure enough, we've got a tool right here. First thing I see here is this guard is not very big at all. I'm hoping it will do the job. We will see when we start weed eating with it. But it is really small compared to a normal weed eater guard. Comes with a Allen wrench to put it together. And we'll open this up. And here's the extra battery. It does come with two. Well, no, it comes with one battery. Okay. I thought the description said two, but maybe not. I will go back and check on that. By the way, I bought this off of Amazon. I will be putting the link in the description below, so you guys can check it out and see what you think. And I'm hoping to do a little follow-up review on this after I've used it for a few weeks and see how it holds up. I read the reviews, and it appeared like quite a few people were really happy with it, as long as the job is only about 30 minutes long or so between charges. So we'll see how that goes. My lawn here is fairly large, but it's weed eating is usually not much more than 30 minutes, so we'll see how that works out. So I will go ahead and put this together and show you guys when I'm through. Okay, so I put this battery on the charger and waited for it to get completely charged up, and we're going to put it in here and we're going to try it, see how this works. Okay, so this is the 20 volt XR, and it has a 4 amp hour battery, so we're going to try it out and see how this works. And I'm using the high setting right now. I'm actually really impressed with that so far. I will do a follow-up review later and see how this thing works out, you know, how long it lasts and all those things. So, but just first impressions, it does really well, has really good power. Now to see if it holds up. Thanks for watching.